Hi, this is Maria with the Customer Factor, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the scroll bar. This is our new feature in the daily calendar that's going to make managing your team way easier, especially if you've got 10 or more employees. Let's get started. Let's go to the daily calendar and change the view at the top right here to Employee Crew Display. So if you've got a bigger team, you'll notice this new scroll bar right up here. It lets you slide left or right to see more employee columns, so you're not stuck trying to fit everything on one screen. With just a quick scroll, you can easily view all of your team members and keep things moving. And here's the best part. When you drag an appointment over to the right, the screen automatically scrolls for you. But that's not all. When you reassign to a different employee, the color of the appointment updates to match the assigned color of that employee. Super helpful for keeping things organized. One thing to note though, that if you've got fewer than 10 employees, you won't see the scroll bar because everything fits on your screen perfectly, so no scrolling required. And that's it. A small but super useful update to make scheduling even easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.